Hey tech fans, let's explore some of tomorrow's war tech together. Today, we're exploring the cutting-edge technology behind tomorrow's war machines. Get ready, because the future of warfare is like something out of a sci-fi movie. First, let's dive into autonomous drones. These aren't your typical quadcopters. We're talking about swarms of AI-driven drones that can communicate and execute complex missions autonomously. Imagine a fleet of these working in perfect harmony to scout, attack, and defend. It's like having an army of Terminators in the sky. Next, let's talk about exoskeletons. Think Iron Man, but in real life. These high-tech suits enhance a soldier's strength, endurance, and mobility. Powered by advanced robotics and AI, exoskeletons help soldiers carry heavier loads, run faster, and withstand harsh environments. It's a game changer for ground troops. Now, let's look at ground vehicles. These bad boys can travel at speeds that tanks or even artillery can't catch. Newer hypersonic missiles strike targets with unprecedented speed and precision, making them almost impossible to intercept. The sheer velocity and destructive power of these weapons are set to redefine modern combat. And then there's cyber warfare. In the digital age, battles aren't just fought on the ground anymore. Advanced hacking techniques and cyber defenses are becoming as crucial as traditional weaponry. Nations are investing heavily in cyber capabilities to protect their infrastructure and launch offensive operations. It's a silent battlefield, but one with massive implications. Finally, we have the integration of artificial intelligence. AI is being used to analyze data, predict enemy movements, and assist in real-time decision-making. The ability to process information faster and more accurately than any human is a serious tactical advantage. Picture a war room where AI algorithms are the unsung heroes, providing insights and strategies that could turn the tide of battle. So, there you have it. The technology of tomorrow's war machines is both fascinating and formidable. The future of warfare is not just about more firepower, but smarter, more efficient, and more precise systems. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.